4, tap, 2, 3, 4, down, dip it, diddly dip it on the dip, down, tap, 2, 3, 4, tap, 2, 3, 4, tap, 2, now dip it, down and up, and you're going to just do that to get off. You're going to do the same thing to come back on when they're ending. You guys are going to do the same thing, but you're going to go that way, so you're going to do 3/4 of a turn. So you're going to do turn, 2, 3, EEs come forward. Tap, 2, 3, 4, tap, 2, 3, 4, tap, 2, 3, 4, down and around. Tap, 2, the same thing. And the same thing going on. If you're going out, it'll be the very same thing. So let's try. Okay.
Tane Otea. Nope.
Don't forget who goes. Forward. Let's look at this. He's going to go boom, boom, boom. We're going to go on.
Hey!
Ba, 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 ba. No. Ba, 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 ba.
You just same you do with your step, kick, army down. Yeah.
Step, kick, on me down. This one, the back one.
Kick across, not straight out.
Boom, boom, do.
Kick across.
Do you want it across?
We do diagonal.
Yeah, but we're gonna go this way diagonal. Bum, bum, ba da 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 da. And then he's gonna give you 8 all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna start our dance.
Make sure you're
Okay, wait. Question.
On the entrance and the exit on this part, our arms are going over.
It's gotta be down. If you're here, down. You're just quarter. You're that side. Only there. Yeah.
Don't spin them in the last.
Don't spin them on the last. Okay. After da, just face front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Got it? We're going to take the exit. No, let's not. Let's take the, you're here, because we're going to change this part. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what are you going to do?
No, hand will turn them.
You're going to give him a whole da. Okay. So when he yells, hey, you've got one more set. Turn to your left. Turn to your EE. If your EE's out of the right, they should all have bent forward, right? Turn to your EEs. Turn to your EEs. Wait. Here we are. It's going to be the same thing, but you're going to... Okay. Wait. Do it one more time, Don.
1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4. You do one more time. You all in one direction.
No, it's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it.
Right.
Just try it one time. Let's try it. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Listen to me. You know how you've got, everybody be quiet. You know how you've got your that half There's 4 of those, right? How many is there? 3.
Or what?
Play. There's 3. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. All right. You're going to do, if you're facing, which way? If you're facing this way, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and here's your dip. If you're facing this way, it's 1, 2, 3, dip front. Then this dot, dot, and the back kick. If you're facing this way, it's 1, 2, 3. If you're facing this way, it's 1, 2, 3, dip. We got it? You know what I'm talking about, everybody? Yeah. That's gonna be da 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 da. You're gonna turn it. You're gonna turn it. Okay? You're gonna turn it. No, everybody's out. Listen, guys. Everybody's out, right? We're all on our line. Now we want to turn you front. You're going to have 1 set to turn you, and you're going to each da 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 to the wall. So you're all together. It doesn't look like you're a bunch of dodo heads. Okay? Okay, play me 1, go slow, and then the second set we'll try to turn it. All right, give me 1 set, Don.
Thank you.
John, give me 1 set.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't forget the turn is here. Try it 1 more time. Get back where you were.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My windows, where are they?
1, 2, 3, 4.